Guys, how you doing
Yep.
today? Today, on 27th of September, I have ordered the book Word Power Made Easy of Norman Lewis, and it is arrived today almost 10 minutes before this video. And this is my son Siddhartha want to speak with you. Yes, and he will also use this when he was ready, when he will be ready to speak English, right? So this is the book. I'm gonna show you how the wrapper is. Okay, what's wrong? Let me check first. I have ordered the book Word Power Made Easy of Norman Lewis. It costed me ₹96. This is the invoice on the packet, and the packet is like this. I have ordered it from by Amazon, and now I'm gonna unbox it or unwrap it. Let's check what is there inside it. The चालू आहे ना, चालू आहे की. Yeah, it's on. Siddharth, my cousin Prajakta, she is holding this camera so that I can easily hear this packet. Siddharth, come here. See what's there? Yes. In advertise it's a red cover is there of book, but here we got this book. Okay, Norman Lewis Word Power Made Easy, and the back cover, end cover is like this. MRP here you can see 175 rupees, but I got it at rupees 96. You can check over here. Right, okay, it's pretty easy to see now. Let's check quality of the pages. Good pages, good quality is there, and within 96 rupees we got this size book. So many pages are there, means so much knowledge is here, so I'm quite happy that I got it. Right, everything I have seen is the same except this color of the book. It is red in the advertisement, but no problem, no issue. And thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much. If you like this video, then share and like it.